Once upon a time, in a small village nestled near a beautiful forest, lived a young boy named Sam. Sam was known for his mischievous nature and carefree attitude. One sunny day, as he wandered into the forest, he stumbled upon a wounded bird with a broken wing. Filled with compassion, Sam carefully picked up the bird and decided to take it home. He lovingly nursed it back to health, providing food, water, and a warm shelter. Over time, the bird regained its strength and could fly again. One morning, the bird chirped happily, expressing its gratitude to Sam. It said, "Dear Sam, I'm truly grateful for your kindness. As a token of appreciation, I will grant you 3 wishes. Choose wisely." Sam's eyes sparkled with excitement as he pondered his wishes. Greed took hold of him, and he thought of wealth and power. But then he remembered the joy he felt when he saved the bird's life. He looked at the bird and said, "Dear friend, I have only one wish. Please grant me the ability to bring happiness and kindness to others, just as you have brought it to me." The bird smiled and granted his wish. From that day forward, Sam became known for his acts of kindness and generosity. He helped the needy, shared his belongings, and spread happiness wherever he went. The moral of the story is that true happiness lies in giving and spreading kindness. Material wealth and power may bring temporary pleasure, but the joy derived from helping others lasts a lifetime.